Welcome to NV Online Classroom. Today we will learn Network plus Basic Chapter 9 Network Adapter Card. That means Network Interface Card. It's also called LAN card. Now start the Network Adapter Card. Basically there are list of type of network adapter card are used in networking. By using the network adapter card, you can communicate two or more systems. Let's see some information about the network adapter card. First, it's a physical interface between computer and network cable. Second, it moves the data through the computer on buses. We learn some information about the network adapter card. Here